So I got a package in the mail today from Malaysia. So this thing traveled a pretty good distance to be here, and together, let's see what it is. Oh, it's a big piece of cardboard. That's exciting. If this was the 1950s, you could play with that all day long. Open with care. Okay, well, let's heed those words and find out what's inside. Oh, we have some cloth goods. Oh, it's a Star Wars cloak. Star Wars. I actually had ordered this about like 2 months ago. Let's take a look. Hopefully this is a black Jedi cape. Oh god, I can't get it open. I'm gonna grab my Luke figure real quick. I'll be right back. Let's have a little peek here. I think definitely with a little bit of fussing, it'll look a little bit better. But overall, right now, it looks good. This cape was $7.50, which is actually a pretty good deal. And I got a few others here. I'll have to, I don't know, not right now, but open them up, check them out. I forget even what they were. I think I got the brown because I didn't know which one I wanted to use with him. But I think I'm going to go El Negro with him. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.